everybody, I'm Bonnie Grant, Executive Director of PHL Life Sciences. I am here on the expo floor of the American College of Emergency Physicians Scientific Assembly in Philadelphia this week with more than 6,000 attendees, many of whom are even international. These are the people that got us through the pandemic, the emergency personnel that we depend on. And they are in our city, which is not only a city of American history, it is a city of medical history. We are still making history with our recent Nobel Prize winners last week from Penn Medicine. So if you see an emergency physician on the street here in Philadelphia, be sure to thank them for what they did for us. Remember, Philadelphia is the right prescription for your meeting.